Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to make a blackberry cobbler for two, small portion in case you don't have a lot of people in your family that like it and maybe your blackberries are, you don't want them to go bad. So let's not waste them. We'll make a small blackberry cobbler from scratch and I'll show you how. Okay, so your ingredients are going to be for a small two portion for two people blackberry cobbler, or any cobbler if you had cherry or strawberry, whatever you'd like to make. You need 2 cups of the fruit that you pick, washed and ready to go, a half a stick of butter, a half a cup of milk. I have about 3/4 cup of flour and 3/4 cup of sugar, and that's all you're going to need. I'm going to make mine in a cast iron skillet. You can put it in a small pan if that's all you have. And let's go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. All right, first I'm going to set my cast iron skillet on a medium-high heat and get my butter in there. I'm going to melt it about 3/4 of the way and get it all in the bottom of there and start my dry ingredients. Okay, I'm going to add my flour. I'm only going to add about half of this sugar because I want to save the other half for the blackberries. I'm going to add my milk. And let me get a whisk out and whisk this together. And let me get another bowl. So I've already washed the blackberries, and I'm going to put the sugar on. So my butter is almost melted, if you can see. Make sure the sides are evenly coated to help from sticking. In, and then plop the rest of the flour mixture on top. Give these a light stir. I'll show you. So since this is almost done, I'm going to turn it off the heat and just let it kind of sit here for a second. And that'll melt down in a minute. And now I am going to grab my flour mixture and just kind of plop it in there. Kind of spread it around. I'm going to add my blackberries. See how they're all coated in sugar nice? And now I'm going to add the rest of this here and there. And it'll come together. That's all there is to it. And I'm going to use this because I'll be able to get all of it out. And if you want to make it a large one, just double all this ingredients. You might want to use like 3 to 4 cups of berries for a large cobbler. But everything else is just double the flour, double the sugar, double the milk. And that's all there is to it. And we're going to bake this for about 30 to 45 minutes and just watch it depending on where you live, your altitude, you know, the temperature of your oven. Okay, it is preheated. We're going to stick this in. And let that bake for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, it actually took 45 minutes in mine. And it looks done. Doesn't that look great? Nice golden brown on top, you'll know it's ready. And when you're ready to serve it, if like tonight I want to have it after dinner, I'll just warm up a piece and get some vanilla ice cream and top it off. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to see more on cooking, I do craft, just subscribe and click the like button, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like to eat it.